Unleash the power of custom video generation within your applications with the groundbreaking Sora 2 API. To begin your journey, the first crucial step is obtaining API access. This typically involves navigating to the official OpenAI developer portal or a designated Sora 2 access platform. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one once authenticated. Locate the section for API keys or access tokens. Follow the on-screen prompts to generate a new API key. This key is your unique identifier and will be essential for all subsequent interactions with the Sora 2 API. Treat this key like a password. It should be kept secure and never shared publicly. Next, we move to integrating the API into your project. This involves incorporating an OpenAI client library or making direct HTTP requests to the Sora 2 API. Endpoint developers will need to consult the official Sora 2 API documentation for endpoint URLs and the specific structure of requests. The documentation will detail the parameters you can use to control video generation, such as text prompts describing the desired scene, style, and duration. You'll also find information on how to handle authentication using your generated API key. The core of using the API lies in crafting your generation prompts. This is where you communicate your vision to Sora 2. Think of it as giving precise instructions to an incredibly talented artist. The more descriptive and specific your text prompts, the more tailored and impressive the generated videos will be. Experiment with different keywords, sentence structures, and stylistic cues. Remember to refer to the API documentation for best practices and examples of effective prompting. Once your request is sent, the API will process your prompt and begin generating the video. The API response will typically include a status update, and upon completion, a URL or accessible data for your generated video. You can then integrate this video directly into your application. Whether it's for dynamic content creation, interactive experiences, or entirely new forms of media, the possibilities are truly limitless with Sora 2.